Did you have any like aha moments? Did you see something cool, something that was inspirational? That was a good takeaway.
Yeah, I think one of the biggest ones was how it really helped me understand what design thinking was. So, for those who are unaware, design thinking is essentially a way to ideate and really come up with an idea and maybe push that idea to something that can be more, essentially, like really realize that idea. And through every person's training at UIF, you go through what design thinking is, but to me it didn't really necessarily make 100% sense. I got the core like concept of it, but it wasn't entirely clear. But one of the first Ignite talks, and this was done by Titus and Melanie at the University of Twente, um, they essentially kind of gave a really cool visual representation and kind of a unique way, their spin on design thinking, essentially. And that stuck with me. It was a really unique way of presenting it, and it really helped realize what design thinking really meant, I would say.